Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make rice water. To make rice water you need rice and you need a measuring cup, you need pure water, and you need a bigger measuring cup, and of course the storage container. So we're just going to take the rice pack and cut it and measure the rice to 1 cup of rice. So that's just 1 full cup of rice, and I'm going to pour it in the bigger measuring cup, and we're just gonna rinse the rice to get rid of any impurities that are present in the rice at the moment. After that, we're just gonna pour that water out. Some people do actually use that water that we're pouring out as their rice water, but I just wanted to just wash it and make sure it's clean. So next we're just gonna get the storage container, and then we're going to add the rice into the container. Please note that you don't have to always use pure water. You can just use regular water. I just decided to use the pure water because I wanted to. So I just wanted to put that out there for you guys to know. After that is done, you are going to take your pure water and you're going to measure. So 1 cup of rice, you're going to add 2 cups of water to the storage container. So then after you do that, you're just going to close your container and you're going to store that rice in a cool place for 24 hours. So here's the rice water after 24 hours. You could see some bubbles on the top of the water. So fermentation is still going on. So what I'm going to do is put it in a spray bottle and store it in the fridge to stop the fermentation process. So here are rice water benefits. So the rice water is full of vitamins and minerals that are wonderful for both hair and skin. And rice water does contain a carbohydrate that helps strengthen the elasticity of your hair and reduces surface friction. And it also adds shine to your hair and helps it keep it strong and healthy. Some of the vitamins and minerals that are in rice water are amino acids, B vitamins, vitamin E, antioxidants, and it also detangles the hair, makes the hair smooth, strong, and shine, and most importantly, makes the hair grow. And now I'm just adding a little bit of water to the fermented rice water. Now, a study in 2012 revealed that fermented substances do have a high amount of antioxidants that do combat hair and skin cell damage. So there's my rice water. I'm just going to store it in the refrigerator to stop the fermentation process. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in my next video.